Yeah, finally now, wait, just make it harder. Yeah man, restaurant look nice. Yeah man. Yes my people, I'm me back again at Golden Star Restaurant, you know. So pretty and nice, yeah man. We'll taste out them food and we'll try it and see how good it be. Yeah man. So you just go already, see it here. Yes my people, me again you know. Yeah, today, as I'm telling you first, Golden Star Caribbean Restaurant. Today I'm going to try out them curry goat and then fried chicken. See it here? I love the presentation, you see. Vegetable look nice. Vegetable look nice on the side there. Goat and stuff half and look tenderous. You see vegetable, see raw vegetable, cucumber at the side, fried chicken, goat. Okay, goat look. Jesus, Pete. You know? You know some of the bless my food, you know? Yeah man. Health and strength and daily food, we praise and name. Oh Lord. Amen. I will test it out now man. I'm gonna see if them black good. Yeah. Taste up them curry goat and them. The rice and peas, you know? Yeah man. Bomba does. You see it there? We just take one taste. We get one taste. And I best restaurant, they suffer already. We need to get no, God no. Best chicken, best curry goat, and best chicken. Best food this. Me eat from me buy food in Canada. Remember me telling you, the food so delicious. Yo, remember you know, visit Golden Star Restaurant. The normal thing. It is a 5-star. Remember me telling you, the food so delicious. The curry tastes like when me dey back a yard. The curry so nice. Jesus, peace man. Curry goat, the rice and peas, and this coconut milk tonight. So delicious. Please try chicken and this one. The mixed vegetables, the vegetable, coleslaw, fresh vegetable. So nice, I'm not a vegetable man, but this vegetable tastes like the rice and peas itself. The food so delicious. Visit Golden Star Restaurant. It's not a normal restaurant. It is a 5-star restaurant. Remember me telling you, the food is so delicious and you're not gonna regret it. The address are in my description. And remember, when I come back and tell me in the comment section, say yo, the food that is nice, real and youth. Food so delicious. And the best food is made from there Canada. From me I buy food over here. Remember me telling you. The rice perfect. This is rice and peas. That's so solid. Look, nice, cooked to the perfection. This food up, cook with love and God. Everything nice. Bless up in yourself. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and I'll see more videos. Remember, it's not a normal thing. God bless you.